Read it.
Where? I can't see.
Lay it down.
Inspiring. Eco box. Woo!
It's not an eco box. That's the box. Keep reading. On the front, keep reading. Read the white. No, read the white letters.
Notebook PC. What's that?
It's a laptop
For both of us?
for both of you.
You want them to open it?
Yeah. Get your knife, Pono.
Chop, chop, chop. Come here, chop.
It's your stocking. Be very careful. Hey, honey, watch out behind you.
Don't open that, Tammy.
What is it?
Don't open that.
Don't put it on
It's all the wires and stuff. Hmm? Wow.
Open it.
Pretty nice.
Gentleness, please, guys.
Doesn't work.
Well, yeah. Okay, put it back in the box before it gets broken. Say thank you to Nana and Papa.
Thank you, Mama and Papa.